Hi, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I've got to get this off my chest. It's really annoying me. If you can see on your screen about this area here, it's where I've done a bit of welding earlier, and yeah, a bit of bit of crap went on the phone. Being an idiot, using the phone as a bit of a torch, cowboy error really, and it's right in a place what's really annoying me. So if it's annoying you, just think how annoying it is for me, because I can see it and it's Anyway, tonight I'm going to a car culture cruise in Thetford. Now, I'm going to have a run down there. Going to use this afternoon to clean the combo up a little bit dirty being a daily. But, you know, she's no show and shine pig. It is a pig. Yeah, I'll get some outtakes. Expect a normal kind of tits up behaviour, really. I'll try and make this video a little bit more interesting this time. So, see you on the flip side. Car meet time, car meet time. So go, go, go. I can see the prize. Dun, 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 dun. And we are in. Glow plugs warm up. It's alive, it's alive. So here we are at Thetford. We're here a little bit early now, but as you can see, it's already starting to get a little bit packing. We'll try and get around as best I can and get everyone's vehicle on here, but it's going to be probably quite difficult judging by how many cars are here to what I can record and what I'm going to be able to fit in. There is Matthew Fallon. Bit of old school Honda. Honda Accord.
What's that, Tony Peters?
Here we have quite a tasty Evo.
I don't want to watch it in case he hits me.
Hey, we have a Corsa friend. And an MX-5. It's an MX-5, Fallon. Carl, there's your dream car.
Why, yes. Burnt orange roof.
There is a granddad in an Accord. Do a wheel spin. You won't do it. I was looking at the Saab Turbo, but I don't know. Oh baby, that is nice.
Yeah, that is.
Here we have a drifter and an American muscle. It's just mental.
Wow, look at
The size of that. Check out the Yank tank. That is a beast. The sound. Woo. Oh baby. And we have another Evo. Boy racer. And we have a wannabe in an Audi. Ah! Hello. Oh my god, we have a Supra. And it's a manual.
Is that a Supra?
We should have played the manual auto game, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
That is nice. Now here we have a really clean Mondeo. Best shaped Mondeo in my opinion as well. Really, really, really nice. Here we have quite a tasty transporter. Considering I don't like anything fag, I really like this.
Where's that Nissan gone?
Now here we have something a little bit different to what you traditionally see on banks. Now we have recent really wanting a modified car again.
Seriously, honestly, I've got stuff in the back of my car at the moment, and it's just like.
And the car park is still growing. And we have Reason's dream car once again, an MX-5. Have quite a soft spot for these cars, as you know. So, as you can see, there's still more and more cars turning up. It's going to be a really, really busy night. Now this looks a monster. The size of this, that's massive. Bit of teggy.